defend yourself with a Victorinox Classic. So, an enemy is approaching you at a rapid pace with a firearm or some other weapon. What you do is you get your keys out, or wherever you have your Victorinox Classic stored. You open up the pen blade. Oh, that's the wrong one. You open up the pen blade, present it to your foe, throw it at him, grab your .357 and shoot him. Well, it's one way to do it anyway. Silly video, I know. I just wanted to actually apologize for an editing mistake I made in my last video. I actually lost sleep last night because I made such a stupid mistake by not updating the title of the video in the video. I got the thumbnail right, I got the title on YouTube right. I think I got everything else right, except in the introduction of the video, I normally put the title of the video, and I left it as the previous video, so it doesn't make any sense. So anyway, I will try to do better going forward, but I made a mistake. So, short one, just wanted to apologize mostly, but figured I'd throw something hopefully slightly entertaining for you in there. So that's it for now. Bye.